Here we've got OPPO A91, and let me show you how to activate installation of apps from unknown sources on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select device and privacy, go a bit lower, and here under app installation you will find unknown source installation. Just click here once, and now you can give permission for some particular application. Let me choose, for example, Phone Manager, and then tap here to allow. You can do the same for Chrome, Google Drive, and this is how you can allow to install some apps from those sources. So this is it, that will be all. Just pick the application that you would like to give this permission to, mark it, make the indicator active, and that's all. So thanks for watching, enjoy, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.